So today I'm going to have a little unboxing for you. I ordered these Klee headphones, Klee from Genshin Impact. I mean, if you clicked on this, you probably know who she is. So if you hear the tip taps behind me, it's the dogs over here. But anyways, I ordered these headphones and yeah, I just, hopefully it is authentic and all good. I ordered these off of Amazon. So yeah, let me just give you a little background. I ordered these headphones off of Amazon. I will put the exact link down below of what I purchased, so you can go check that out. But looking at the information, the description, reviews, it seems everyone says that these are the authentic ones from the actual brand, and I'm hoping that's what I got. The Klee headphones are just so freaking adorable. You hear Klee's voice, it's the Chinese version. You hear her voice, you know, when you turn it on, when you connect to Bluetooth, all that stuff, and when it's going to power down. And so it just seems so cute. I will be testing it out after I film this initial unboxing so I can give you my thoughts about the sound quality and stuff and just kind of tag that at the end. So yeah, all the reviews seem to be really, really good on it and really solid. So I thought I need that in my life because I love Genshin Impact and Klee is one of my babes. So let us, also I wanted to mention that it does take quite a while to arrive. It did get here sooner than expected. It gives you like an estimated delivery of about a month. And I would say it took about 3 weeks to get here. So that was awesome. It was supposed to arrive this weekend, but it got here on Saturday. So that was a very nice surprise. So let us unbox this. All right. What is this? Guess it's maybe the receipt or something. Hold on. I will open that momentarily. Ooh. Wait, or maybe it's just to kind of keep it in place. Can't tell. Yeah, I think maybe these are just to kind of keep it in place. I thought this was like more goodies to unbox, but I guess not. Okay, so here we have the outside of it. Looks good. Back here, more. I mean, it's looking pretty authentic. So also when I picked it up, it was about $90. It was on sale, and now I believe it is back up to about 110. So just to let you know on that. Okay. Ooh, pretty. So here we have what it looks like when you open it. It's a paper. Oh, the box is adorable. Look at this. Oops. Look how cute it is. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna like put little treasures in here. That's so cute. Ooh, that's cute. So inside here is what you would carry the headphones, the little earbuds in. It is Klee's backpack. So that's, or maybe, should I just take it all out? Hold on. Okay, so let me take this out. I'm going to see what comes in it. This is the little backpack. It's so freaking cute. That is so freaking cute. Look at it, even the little straps. You can kind of hold it like that. It does have this little thing up here, so you can maybe add a little loop to it to attach it to something on your bag or something. Material is really nice. And then here are where the earbuds are. Little red case. Now I've never had like proper earbuds or anything. These are my first pair. Cute. And it is very good material, very good material. And here is the inside. Here's what they look like. Oh, that's so cute. Is it not adorable? They're so pretty. I mean, they look like the real deal to me. They look like they're excellent quality. So we'll have to see how the sound actually is and if it connects to everything, if everything is, which I will go test out right now. But so far, so good. And then in this box, I'm sure it's the little charging cable. Yeah, so in here in the box, we have more options for the earbuds. I guess, you know, depending on how big your ear hole is, you can take them off. So I have 3 other sizes, so a total of 4 different sizes to choose from. So that's cool. I have like tiny little ear holes, so sometimes it hurts me if they do not fit proper. Oh, here is a little keychain to add to the little Klee backpack, so that you can attach it to something. That is really thoughtful and nice. I like that. I will be attaching that so I can attach it to my purses. And then here is the charging cable. It's a little red charging cable. So nice. We have everything we need. Okay, like, I mean, I love it. I think it is beautiful. I decided to match it today. I'm going to go test these out right now, and I cannot wait to hear her voice, and I'll let you know how it goes. I'll be back. It's really easy to connect them. Pretty much just gotta have them attached to their case like this, have it open next to your device, go to your Bluetooth screen, and you will see the little name pop up, connect, and you're good to go, and you'll hear Klee's voice. And again, it is in Chinese and it is just super cute. I do play the game in English, so I do wish I had the English version, but everywhere I looked it was sold out. So I mean, this is fine too. It's still super cute and I love it a lot. And then to power off, you just disconnect like you would with any other device that you have connected to your Bluetooth, and you will hear Klee's voice come on when you disconnect, and I believe you also hear her when you're running low on battery. So it's super freaking adorable. They're really comfortable. I like them a lot. I don't have them in here. Well, I have these headphones that I usually use that have like this string, and they're always just popping out of my ear, and it's just really annoying, and they kind of hurt after a while. I was using these for a bit right now, and I honestly could barely feel them. They're so comfy. I like these a lot. So I'm going to be wearing these when I go on walks and stuff. And what else? I think that's all I have to say. I will put a couple of videos maybe linked down below so you can look at more features to kind of get a better idea, because I don't know if this is the Poco version or not. I really can't tell. It looks exactly like it, but when I'm connecting, the name is slightly different, so I don't know. I really don't know if this is just a really good dupe. I really don't know. So I will link below some videos that go into more detail about the features of these headphones. Again, I don't know if these are like, I don't think that they're the official Poco ones. But if not, then they are a freaking amazing dupe. So I don't know. Everywhere I looked, the English version Klee headphones were sold out and stuff. So I don't know. But these are really good quality. I think everything sounded really good. It was good quality, easy to connect, easy to disconnect, all good. You get all of the accessories, and it is super cute, and you get to hear Klee's voice. So freaking adorable. I love it. As a Genshin Impact fan, I think it is a win for me. So I think that is it. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night, whatever time it is where you are. Big kisses. Bye for now.